The doctors of the world can know after the test, but only Allah knows before the test. Allahu Akbar. وَمَا تَدْرِ نَفْسٌ مَاذَا تَكْسِبُ غَدًا. No one knows what he will earn tomorrow. I mean, man don't know what will happen tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'du, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna Allaha 'indahu 'ilmu as-sa'ah wa yunazzilul ghais wa ya'lamu ma fil arham wa ma tadri nafsum maza taksibu ghadan wa ma tadri nafsum bi ayyi ardin tamut. Inna Allaha 'alimun khabir. Sadaqallahul mawlana al-azim wa sadaqa rasuluhun nabiyyul kareem wa nahnu ala dhalika minash shahidina wash-shakirin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. That is what I'd like to discuss today. Haza muhimmun ziddan lil jami'. Its significance is very deep and it's very important for everyone. Ala ayyi halin da'na nasilu ila shay'il hakiki. Anyway, come to the point. Basically, today I'd like to discuss about no one knows about the 5 things except Allah. If Allah doesn't inform anyone, otherwise no. Okay, I'll try to say something briefly about this, inshallah. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِ إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ تَوَكَّلْتُ وَإِلَيْهِ يُنِيبُ. Allah Rabbul Alamin said of Surah Luqman in verse 34, Allah said, no one knows about the 5 things. I mean, only Allah has the true knowledge of the 5 things. And that's number 1. Inna Allaha 'indahu 'ilmu as-sa'ah. Indeed, the knowledge of the day of judgment is with Allah alone. I mean, no one knows when the day of judgment will happen without Allah. By the order of Allah Rabbul Alamin, Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam will blow the horn. Then the doomsday will happen, but only Allah knows when that will be. Right? Number 2. وَيُنَزِّلُ الْغَيْثِ. He is the one who makes it rain. I mean, when will it rain? No one knows without Allah. I mean, the news of rain is only with Allah Rabbul Alamin. Allah Rabbul Alamin has appointed Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam in charge of making rain, but it must be by Allah's command, otherwise no. Number 3, وَيَعْلَمُ مَا فِي الْأَرْحَامِ. He knows what is in the mother's womb. I mean, what is in the mother's womb, girl or boy, no one knows that without Allah. The doctors of the world can know after the test, but only Allah knows before the test. Allahu Akbar. Number 4, وَمَا تَدْرِ نَفْسٌ مَاذَا تَكْسِبُ غَدًا. No one knows what he will earn tomorrow. I mean, man don't know what will happen tomorrow, because only Allah is the owner of sustenance. So man don't know what will happen tomorrow. And finally, the last number 5, وَمَا تَدْرِ نَفْسٌ بِأَيِّ أَرْضٍ تَمُوتُ. No one knows where he will die. I mean, no one knows the news of human death without Allah. In the last part of this verse, it's been said, Inna Allaha 'alimun khabir. Allah knows everything. Nothing is beyond His knowledge, because He is the Almighty. Allahu Akbar. So from the above discussion, we came to know that there is no the exact knowledge of 5 things except Allah Rabbul Alamin. No one knows except Him. With or to this order, there is no doubt. Finally, I am ending today. Haza ma indi wal ilmu indallah alayhi tawakkaltu wa ilayhi yunib. I hope see you next time. Keep fine and take care yourself, and finally peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.